Guys, Grok Imagine is getting another crazy update. Grok has officially improved their native audio synthesis, specifically focusing on the lip sync segment. We are talking natural, highly accurate lip syncing generated right inside the video.
Playfully pile on Peter's prize posies. A real mathematician can mathematically mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathematiculation.
To test this properly, we are heading straight to the official Grok website. First up, I am going to do a simple, basic lip sync test. I have all my prompts saved in a master document, which you guys can find linked in the description below. I am copying my first prompt, young woman just doing a greeting. Inside Grok, make sure you select the video option. I'm maxing it out to 720p, setting the duration to 10 seconds, and selecting a 16:9 aspect ratio. I paste the prompt and hit generate. Let's see where the improvements are.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you about the latest AI video update.
Okay, wow. Guys, I can clearly see the lip sync improvements here. The girl's facial expressions and talking movements look surprisingly authentic. But that was just a basic test. Out of pure curiosity, I want to see how it handles emotion. I pasted a new prompt. Old man with a white beard, glasses, gentle wrinkles, soft morning light, emotional and reflective expression, saying something with perfect lip sync and a warm voice.
I never thought I would live to see this day. It feels like a beautiful dream come true.
Okay, not bad at all. It looks really good. It easily passes the basic lip sync test. All right, time to level up. Let's test how good Grok is at adapting to different languages and accents. First, I dropped a prompt to see how it handles the French language and a French accent. Let's listen.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Pierre. C'est incroyable ce que l'intelligence artificielle peut faire maintenant, n'est-ce pas?
Honestly, guys, I don't know a single word of French. If any of my viewers actually speak French, please jump in the comments and let me know how accurate that was. Next, I wanted to see if it could handle singing. I told the person to sing, "I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it," with a passionate, soulful voice.
I can't feel my face and I'm horribly poop, but I do.
Oh man, okay, honestly, the visual result is impressive, but the pronunciation, a complete disaster. It is totally incorrect, and I have absolutely no idea what he is even singing. So yeah, Grok definitely failed this singing test. Then I tried a Japanese lady speaking in English asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to go to Shibuya Station? I am looking for the famous crossing with all the people. Thank you very much.
Okay, this one actually looks and sounds like a genuine Japanese accent. Finally, I tried a Chinese man speaking English.
Hello, I am here for the International Tech Conference. Can you please tell me where is the check-in counter for the hotel shuttle?
Now, the guy generated didn't exactly look Chinese, but you can easily fix that by generating your base image in GPT Image 2 first. So that's not a big deal. But listen to the lip sync and voice. Man, I don't know about you, but that sounded a little bit like an Indian accent to me. So long story short, Grok's new lip sync can adapt to many languages, but it's still a bit of a mixed bag. Now for a really tough test. Let's try to get 2 or more people talking in the exact same scene. I actually pulled out my master prompt for this. Don't worry, you get all these prompts in the description. According to my prompt, I want to show 3 friends having a conversation. So what I did is I went to GPT Image 2, which is honestly the best image generator right now. I have a full tutorial on my channel for that, and generated 3 separate images, girl 1, a boy, and girl 2. I pasted my master prompt into Grok, uploaded all 3 images as references, and here is the absolute most important part. Listen carefully. Wherever these 3 characters are mentioned in the prompt, you must type the @ symbol and tag their specific reference image. This is how you produce much better consistent results, and I've talked about this detail heavily in my previous videos. I hit generate.
You won't believe this. I've been coming here for 3 years.
3 years? No way.
And the barista remembers my new name every single time.
And wow, look, I know it is not 100% flawless, but the result is insanely impressive. It handled all 3 characters perfectly, and the lip sync for a group conversation was almost spot on. This next test is going to be even more interesting. I want to show a detective and a girl having a serious conversation regarding a case. Here, I'm going to test the extend feature to see how consistent Grok's audio is in a longer conversation. First, I copy scene 1's prompt, upload my images, tag the characters with the @ symbol, and hit generate.
The case is getting stranger by the minute. Someone is watching me.
I know. I hacked the security feeds. There's a shadow following us right now.
That is our first 10-second clip, and the quality looks impressive. To extend it, you click on the Extend from Frame option. You select the very last frame of your video, and then you add your extended prompt, which I just copied from my master sheet.
The case is getting stranger by the minute. Someone is watching me.
I know. I hacked the security feeds. There's a shadow following us right now.
Can you trace where it's coming from?
Already on it. The signal is bouncing off 3 different towers.
Boom! Now our scene is 20 seconds long. I repeat the exact same process, select the last frame, paste the next extension prompt.
Someone is watching me. The case is getting stranger by the minute. Someone is watching me.
I know. I hacked the security feeds. There's a shadow following us right now.
Can you trace where it's coming from?
Already on it. The signal is bouncing off 3 different towers. We need to lose them.
Before we reach the safe house.
Then we better start running. Now.
And now our clip is a full 30 seconds. The audio consistency here is incredibly natural, but there is one big drawback. Right now you can only extend up to 30 seconds maximum. Hopefully we see unlimited extensions in an upcoming update, because if that happens, trust me, you could easily create a decent full-length movie with Grok. By the way, I actually already created a short film using Grok, which you can check out right after this video. Okay, let's do a quick product review test. I want this girl to do a tech review of a Grok smartphone. I generated several images of the girl from different angles and also generated a cool Grok smartphone image using GPT Image 2. I copied my prompt from the doc, uploaded all the images, tagged my references, and hit generate.
Hey everyone, I just got my hands on the brand new Grok smartphone from XAI, and honestly, this thing is next level. The AI is actually useful and sane, and it feels so premium and
Honestly, the result has a little bit of visual distortion around the phone, but if we ignore that, it's a very impressive result. I also tested a completely random video of a talking phone, which was hilarious.
Hi there. I'm the new Ultraphone 2026. I can do things you never imagined possible.
And a romantic couple talking over dinner.
I still can't believe you said yes.
I couldn't imagine saying anything else.
I'm the luckiest man alive.
And I'm the luckiest woman.
I still can't believe you said yes.
That one was nearly perfect, although the wine glass got a little bit distorted doing the motion. Guys, all my tested and untested prompts are available right now in the description below. Go grab them and test this out for yourself. Honestly, Grok Imagine is improving at lightning speed. It still has a very long way to go, but rumors say the next update is finally bringing 1080p resolution. They are continuously trying to improve, and I can definitely say Grok Imagine is right up there. Maybe even better than VO 3.1 right now. But we all know Dance 2 is still the heavyweight champion to beat. What do you guys think of this new audio update? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, keep building, and I will see you in the next one.